In previous history, there was no equality among people. Man was divided into different categories, black and white, inferior and superior, rulers and ruled. So the humanity was divided into different categories. It was Prophet of Islam who proclaimed, La fadla li-Arabiyyin al-Ajabiyyin wala al-Aswad al-Ahmara. He, as a head of the state, at that time he was the head of the state, and he proclaimed in Hajjatul Wada that everyone is equal. There is no difference. So he was the first to proclaim equality and establish a society on this principle. You know, Swami Vivekananda was a great scholar of India. He has admitted, he has acknowledged this fact in these words, that if ever any religion was able to establish equality, it was Islam and Islam alone. If ever any religion approached to this equality, it was Islam and Islam alone. This was acknowledgement of Swami Vivekananda. So Prophet of Islam was first to initiate equality. And now we are living in a society, in an age, in a world where, according to the United Nations, it is well established that everyone is equal. But this is culmination of the process initiated by the Prophet of Islam. So this is the real contribution of the Prophet of Islam. Those Muslims who try to depict the Prophet as a miraculous personality, as a mysterious personality, they are not doing a good job. It is to underestimate the prophetic role of Muhammad. Muhammad was not a mysterious person. Muhammad was not a miraculous person. He was a practical model. Then those students who acknowledge the Prophet as the most successful person, they are simply presenting some praise. There is also praise. But praise is not enough. The real aspect of the Prophet of Islam was that he was a model for all mankind. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. The real aspect of the Prophet of Islam was not that he was a miraculous person, that he was a mysterious person, that he was a light rather than physical being. All these things are simply a reduced form of a reduced picture of the Prophet of Islam. All these things are simply a reduced picture of the Prophet of Islam. The real picture of the Prophet of Islam is that he was a blessing. He gave us a model. He gave us a true ideology of life. He gave us the answer of all those problems. He told us what is the creation plan of God. Because if you are unaware of the creation plan of God, you cannot plan your life successfully in this world.